Hey guys, so a few months ago I built this tower for my kids, but I don't even need this because it's so funny to my pet. This is why. So we're gonna live this, so I'm gonna change this guys because this is so funny. I guess because like this game sucks. I'm just kidding. This game is good. Okay, guys. So what to do? And I'm going about I cannot do this. So you like just set up all my best friend. Okay, wait for a minute. Okay, guys. So I'm back. I'm not even trying more. But let's get in my second floor now. Pwede ba ko si Aling Uling? Si Tanika Aramuni. Finish! Like, the second floor is always full a little bit, but I'm gonna kick this and even my last second floor. This is much better, a lot. So, I'm gonna build in that two house. Okay. Shush! Shush! Ang tira natin dito, shush! Naman eh. Ano sabi mo? Expenso yun. Mahal ang gasolina pati ang bibota. Ano? Ayudo yan ni Kindra. Nalingawan mo pa lang. Bye-bye, Mami. Mauli na si Drake. Dali, itago mo. Hindi mo na yung itago mo na. Tawag na daw. Hindi na po kaya. Hindi na mag-pamilya. Hindi ka naman. Hayaan mo siya ang mag-hiro pa yan. Hey guys, so I'm playing a few times. But this night is where my mommy and my old family so it is getting this. Hey guys, so I'm gonna sit on this side and have a big grand. So, huh? Mahal ko ang gasolina. Mana jadi ada malam. This is hurting my heart. Allah. Secrets of the Ang sarap nitong family natin. Okay, so this is a few time I'm not even. This is a few time but I'm not even looking about in them. I'm not even done to my place. Ay! Okay guys, so bye-bye because my hand is studying once and my block is 1 time ago. So goodbye. Watch my next gaming channel.